What is up, family? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. I got this guy in my hand, and tonight I want some chicken wings. So we are going to be making some chicken wings using the new Ninja Crispi. I have my wings already set over there, nice and dried and clean, and we're going to season them, and we're going to be breading them. So that can get messy, but I'm going to let you see the process, and we're going to see how well the Ninja Crispi actually cooks chicken wings. Let's do it. All right, so here we go. We have the Ninja Crispi over here. We're gonna be using the bigger size because I have about 10 wings in there, and we wanna make sure that they can all fit. I don't wanna have to do this in batches. Be sure to check my unboxing video. That video has everything from when you get it out of the box and what it comes with and all of that good jazz. I'll link it above. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm going to do these chicken wings like I always do them in the other air fryers. Let me grab a can of canola spray. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray my wings. They are rinsed and cleaned and dry. I'm just going to spray them because when you do that, your seasoning kind of stays on better. And like I said, we're going to be breading these as well. So I want everything to stay attached to them. All right, and what I love, this is one of my favorite seasons. I've used this in a different video I've recorded. Sylvia's chicken rub seasoning. This stuff is so good. So we're gonna, actually it's so good that I haven't even opened it, y'all. Look at that. All right, give me just a second. All right, here we go. All right, so we're gonna season, get that seasoning all over them. This is actually really good for a dry rub, but I've used it using a breading as well, so it works both ways. Has a lot of flavor for chicken. I'm gonna be using garlic powder. I put garlic in everything. All right, and then I want to add some black pepper as well. And that's all I'm going to do. So give that. And you see how the season is like sticking on it? It's not running and dry. That's one thing what you really want to do, like when you clean your meat, make sure that you dry your chicken. You don't want your chicken running, but not only that, you also can get you some canola oil spray and spray it. This works best for me when using an air fryer. So now if I was putting these in some grease, it'd be a different story. All right, so I'm gonna use my bag here. And this is the breading I'm using. Andy seasoned chicken breading. And this is hot and spicy, y'all. I don't know if it's sell it everywhere. I live in the Midwest, but this is at my grocery store. So I'm gonna simply just use a Ziploc bag. I can be old school as well. I come from where you just get a plastic bag and that's what you use. You put your flour or whatever in there and that's how you do it. But today we're gonna be a bit more civil. We're gonna use all of this because it's not that much in here. Ooh, I'm not making a mess, y'all. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna put, I think there's 10 pieces in here. So we're gonna do like 4 right now. All right. All right, we're gonna go over here and we're actually going to just start plating it inside the Crispi. It's a big piece. Hopefully we can get them all in here. We're probably gonna have to make it close, but we're gonna make it fit because I don't wanna have to do 2 batches. And then you all get to see actually like how much you can put in here at one time. All right, let's get back over here. You know what? I think we can put all these in here. Let's just hurry up and get it done. All right. All right, I think we're good. We're gonna turn that one. It's gonna be a tight fit, but I think we got it all. Do we got them all? There's one more piece. I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, I think we good. All right. So something I want to test with this Ninja Crispi. I've really been using my combi more to do chicken. Anytime I do chicken wings, I'm doing the combi. I've used the speedy. And one thing I appreciate is that you don't have to turn your meat over halfway. So we're gonna see how well the Ninja Crispi actually cooks without you having to turn things over. So we're gonna see. We're gonna probably do it about 25 minutes. All right, so we have it there. We're gonna sit. The crispy on it comes on already by itself. And just like I said, also just know that the Crispi, it does not allow you to change the temperature, but the different modes do have a temperature gauge. Like if you put recrisp, it's from 380 to 400, bake 375 to 400, air fry 400 to 425, max crisp 425 to 450. And max crisp, it says it's used for best for frozen things. All right, so we're gonna put this on air fry and we're gonna set this timer. I wanna put it on 25 and we're just gonna see, we'll probably give it, we're gonna check it within 10 minutes and see if we have to turn it over or do anything, and we're gonna let it go. We are 12 minutes. We have 12 minutes left. And what we're gonna do, we are going to do a quick check and just look at it. All right, so it's coming along. Okay. It's coming along. And what I like to do, when you notice that some of your breading is still like dry, you can take your canola oil spray and you actually can spray to get those. That's the trick I use. Somebody on YouTube did it and I was like, oh, that's how you do it. So there you go. I don't think I need to turn these over. Actually, we're gonna check. Give me one moment. Yeah, we're gonna turn these over to get the other side because I don't want any. Oh, these are looking really good, y'all. Do y'all see that? It's looking really good. And it got some crisp to it. I can feel it. We're gonna leave that one there. Let's see, come on. Cooperate. Okay, so they're not looking bad on the other side. Okay, but we're still gonna give it a spray just to get those white spots out, dry spots. Then we're gonna put it back and let it finish. So we're gonna keep it going. I'm not gonna add more time to it. So when you put it back, you do need to press start. So that's what I'm going to do. And it gets back to cooking. All right, y'all, it's all finished. Let's open it up and see what do we have going on. All right. They are looking pretty good. We're gonna let them cool down, but I just kind of want to turn them over just to check. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Okay, okay. Just want to check them for any white spots. What I'm gonna do is remove them from here and actually put them on a plate as well. All right, and we're gonna let them cool down, and then we're gonna do a taste test and see what they taste like. This is what it looks like afterward inside the glass, the container. So you have your crisper tray, and then it's still acting like a regular air fryer. As you see, it's still gonna let grease and debris get down to the base of the glass. Look at the pot as we see it here. Like I've said before in previous videos, I just want you to see like what actually happened. So there's not a lot of residue that gets on here. The adapter is still attached. So if you see that, I'm able to actually take that off. We're gonna do it now. So this is the pot itself. It's still hot, but I just wanted you to see, like when it comes to cleaning, you're not really gonna have to do a lot of cleaning. When this cools down, I'll give it a nice wipe, unplug it, and get it and put it up. But as you see, this is the frame. This is the adapter for the bigger tray. So I do like the fact that when you sit this down, that it has feet, that it's not actually sitting on your counter, but the feet are actually doing it. And if you check, it's warm, but it's not extremely hot. So that's just something good to know, just in case you have to sit this on the counter. Don't worry, you don't have to have it on this side or anything. You can just sit it upright. All right, here we go, taste test. I got a question for y'all. Do you like drums or do you like flats? I'm giving you time to answer. Go right to the comments and put it in the comments, drums or flats. All right, but for me, I actually like drums, but for smaller chicken, give me the flats. All right, so let's see what we got going on. It is crispy. Yeah, ooh, and it got enough heat. That's what I was wanting. I wanted some hot and spicy. This is exactly what I wanted. Y'all, there you have it. The Ninja Crispi, it's able to do chicken wings. I know it's simple, but it's the simple things sometimes you want a machine to do and be able to do it easily. I really like how compact it is, but I like it's easy to keep clean. Like I can throw this in the dishwasher, not the pod, but the actual glassware. It's dishwasher safe. You can put it in there and it'll be clean. All right, so that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions about the Ninja Crispi, or if you're about to purchase one and you want to help your boy out, click my affiliate link and it'll take you to Amazon to purchase you one. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. See you in the next video.